Hey guys, this is Robert with Malaya Law. We help entrepreneurs just like you start their businesses without dealing with the complicated legal forms. And we're also the #1 highest rated business law firm for entrepreneurs with more than 1,400 5-star Google reviews. Today we're going to talk about whether you need an EIN number for your Amazon business. And I'm sure many of you guys are wondering whether you need it to sell on Amazon, and the answer is yes. However, there are some things that you must do before Amazon is going to let you open up an Amazon business account. And the first thing to do is to obtain an EIN number. This oftentimes becomes one of the roadblocks for our international clients who are not sure if they can get an EIN number. However, don't get overwhelmed because we are able to obtain EIN numbers regardless of whether you live in the United States or not. So to briefly answer your question, yes, you can sell on Amazon even if you do not have a social security number or ITIN. And the way to do this is to obtain an EIN number. We've helped thousands of individuals get EIN numbers even if they don't have a social security number or ITIN. So don't hesitate to reach out and get help from people that are very experienced in this field. So you may be wondering why Amazon even needs an EIN number, and the answer is so that they can identify you. Amazon needs a way to keep track of your activity, otherwise the Amazon marketplace would be messy and it would be a free-for-all with no business structure and no way of ensuring that a single person doesn't open up several of the same stores. Keep in mind, Amazon is very strict about sellers not having multiple accounts on their platform, and having an EIN number helps them prevent this. The other reason that you will need an EIN number to sell on Amazon is for tax purposes. The IRS is the tax agency in the US, and having an EIN or SSN allows the IRS to monitor your financial activity to ensure that the taxes are paid. So Amazon, in a way, is doing this to comply with the IRS by requiring that you, as a business seller on Amazon, has an EIN number. Ultimately, Amazon is ensuring that their sellers are following the law, and their way of ensuring this is to ask sellers for their EIN numbers. The last main reason why you will need an EIN number is for importing goods and dealing with the U.S. Customs and Border Protection. As I'm sure many of you know, your suppliers will be from all over the world, and these suppliers may ask you for the EIN number. Keep in mind, they may also ask you for your sales tax registration number, but I'll discuss that, and I'll discuss the seller's permits and sales tax registration in another video. But overall, when dealing with U.S. Customs, you will have a much easier time importing the goods if you are also able to comply with their various requirements, such as providing them with an EIN number. The more efficient you make the process, the quicker your goods will get to the Amazon warehouses. So overall, the answer is yes, you need an EIN number to sell on Amazon if you have a business account. If you are wondering how to get your EIN number, see my video regarding EIN numbers and how we can obtain one for you regardless of whether you have a social security number or ITIN. So if you're an entrepreneur looking to get started with selling on Amazon and doing the FBA business model, then click on the link below to schedule a free consultation with us. And also, if you have any questions, just post them below and my team and I will try to get to them as soon as possible. I'll see you guys in the next video.